Here comes Speed Racer. He's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after someone. He's gaining on you, so you better look alive. He's busy revving up the powerful Mach 5.
Hi winners, I'm here in this bird cage. It got this name because the chassis is made of a whole bunch of little wires wrapped up together. There's only 3 of these left in the world. There's 2 here and there's 1 somewhere else in the world. So you know this is very exclusive. Only winners get to sit in this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at the very exclusive bird cage, aka Speed Racer.
He's up and flying as he guns a car around the track. He's jamming down the pedal like he's never coming back. Adventure's waiting just ahead. Go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go!
Alright guys, we're gonna show you the chassis, so let's go to the other side. We can show you how to get in and out of this piece. So it's got a little lever right here. You got to take a pull on it, pull it back. This is the door. Alright? Now, when we're talking about the bird cage chassis, the wiring, the bird cage wiring, it's this stuff right here. You see all these little, this right here, all those tangled together. There's no chassis. That's the chassis, all those wires.
Your life's eraser. See it through.
Speed winning. Wow.
Go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go! He's up and flying as he guns a car around the track. He's jamming down the pedal like he's never coming back. Adventure's waiting just ahead. Go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer.